If you're thinking about downloading the Progressive Finance iPhone app, there are a few things you need to know first. In this video, we're diving into 12 key features and comparisons with other finance apps, so you can make an informed decision. Stick around, because by the end, we'll tell you if it's the right choice for your financial management. Next thing to note is that Progressive focuses on helping you manage your personal finances with a simple and easy-to-use interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, unlike some other complex finance apps that might overwhelm you with features you don't need. The third thing to consider is its budgeting tools. Progressive offers basic budget tracking, but when compared to competitors like Mint or YNAB, it falls short in some areas. While Progressive does a good job of showing you where your money is going, it doesn't offer the same depth of customization as some of these other apps. Now let's talk about the investment features. While Progressive lets you track investments, it doesn't have the same range of tools as more robust apps like Personal Capital, which is more focused on wealth building and retirement planning. If investing is a big part of your financial goals, this may not be the best fit. The fifth thing you should know is about the integration with your bank accounts. Progressive supports linking with most major banks, but it's not as seamless as apps like Pocket Guard, which automatically categorizes your spending. You may find some manual input required when using Progressive, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for automation. Next up, the app does have some bill payment features, but this is where Progressive is a bit behind competitors like Prism. Progressive doesn't offer the same level of bill management or reminders. So, if paying bills on time is a priority for you, this could be a downside. Now let's talk security. Progressive offers standard encryption and multi-factor authentication, which is great, but it doesn't have the same level of high-end security features that some other finance apps, like Mint or Personal Capital, provide. If you're dealing with sensitive financial information, it's something to keep in mind. The eighth thing to consider is the customer support. Progressive has a decent support system with email and chat, but it's not as responsive or in-depth as you'll find with apps like YNAB, which offers comprehensive tutorials and a community forum. When it comes to tracking credit scores, Progressive includes this feature, but it's not as advanced as Credit Karma, which provides much more insight into your credit and ways to improve it. If monitoring your credit score is a priority, Progressive may not be your best bet. Next, let's talk about the cost. Progressive offers a free version, but for the full range of features, you'll need to upgrade. It's competitive in pricing, but when compared to apps like Mint, which is completely free, Progressive might feel a bit limiting unless you're willing to pay for the extra features. The 11th thing to note is its reports. While Progressive does offer some basic financial reports, it's not as robust as others like Personal Capital, which generates detailed investment and cash flow reports. If you want to see exactly where your money is going and make better financial decisions, you might miss these features. Finally, Progressive is a solid option for someone just getting started with budgeting and basic financial tracking. It's easy to use and functional, but if you're looking for something with more advanced features for investing or wealth building, it might not have everything you need. In conclusion, Progressive is a good app for managing your day-to-day finances, but if you want a better solution with more features, check out our recommended app, which offers everything you need and comes with a free trial.